This is it, the season of rush. The season whereby you can't even have time for any other thing but only for your business. I welcome you on Mimi Unique and Hairstyles. So in today's video, you can see is amazing, beautiful, trending, natural hairstyles you can do at all time. It will take you only 1 hour or highest 2 hours and you are done. Get up and pursue whatever you want to pursue. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's watch together.
Whatever, I decrease for your love. My mind there for you, my heart beat for you. Every time that I think of you, I don't know.
Amazing.
I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again. Sweet. When the one said I can't have you, I proved them wrong.
Sweetheart, you can see the hairstyles so far you have watched with me. It's so simple to achieve. It is made with gel, depending on the type of gel you would like to use, and also with rubber band or simple one side braid hairstyles, or at the middle or also at the back. Keep watching.
I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again. Sweet.
Amazing.
When the one said I can't have you, I proved them wrong. I came for you. Any weather and any mood. Oh my, you know I still count you. Yeah. Give me love, eh. Forever, eh.
So, are you in a haste all the time? Or you are the type that doesn't want to waste time in whatever you want to do? So this hairstyle is an amazing hairstyle for you to try this season, and you are good to go. Rock it with your beautiful, outstanding face. Oh yeah? Some people also like to add another beautiful style on their own. Some people doesn't like complicated hairstyles, so if you're the type that doesn't like such hair styles, you can also go for these ones I have for you today. I believe that one or two will definitely fit you this season we are, or you are the type that likes to go outing with natural hair. You can also try these amazing ideas, trending braid with rubber band or with one side braided hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching with me. If you're new on Mimi Unique and Hairstyles, you can see it is a channel that is concerned for your beauty and nothing else. You can also go ahead and click out of my videos. I believe that it's going to interest you. Sorry guys for going to 3 weeks. I didn't post a video, something came up. I'm so sorry for not notifying you guys. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. Mimi will always love you guys. Happy Xmas in advance. We just have 2 days or 3 days. We are into it. I love you guys. Keep watching Mimi. I'll always bring best trending braids or non-braid hairstyles for you guys. Thank you so much for watching with me. But don't forget that subscription is always free. Thank you. Bye.